Okay, so one thing I'd like to talk to you about today is having clean water. I highly recommend this. Not too many people that I know do this, but this is extremely helpful to me. Anytime I'm gonna make some liquid culture broth or anything like that, I generally put one of these quart jars in, but instead of it being liquid culture broth, it's just water. Just good clean water, and I PC it so that I have some sterile water to work with. What for, might you ask? Man, there's an array of things to use sterilized water for. One of the things I like to do is I reuse syringes. So, if I knocked up some grains today, what I'm going to do is when I'm done with the work, I'm going to suck up some sterile water, probably like twice in a row. And then I label the bag, I'm sorry, not the bag, the syringe, with whatever cultigen I'm using in there. But they're clean and they're ready to use again. As long as you work in a good sterile environment, and you have good sterile technique, and you have some good sterile water, everything's a breeze. Until next time, my friends, happy cultivating.